It's officially real. To come out here and to see the site, to see how much dirt has moved around, to have a blank canvas that we're sitting on.
This plot of land behind us will hold a facility that will build 150 million pre-filled syringes and vials that, in essence, will treat up to 50 million patients a year with essential medicines.
And this gives us the opportunity to really focus on all of the cutting-edge technologies that we can install to engineer out any challenges we would have in an aseptic environment. With sterile injectables, the key thing is they're generally being injected directly into the veins. And so there's no type of protection for the body. It has to be a sterile product. What's great about today is that we've actually begun engineering in that quality. We'll be the first sterile injectable facility to have all isolators in our facility for all of our products. Being part of the Civica mission means more than anything to me. To know that it's not a matter of if, but it's when someone that's close to me is going to be getting our products makes it paramount that our products are sterile, we have the highest level of quality, and we have the highest level of reliability in our supply chain.